always like to talk about my mind. And I think sometimes it's because, there might be somebody else out there like me that you hear it and you're like, oh, that's so relatable. I get it. I understand. One thing that I have noticed when planning content, because I'm on the marketing side, but I'm also in many
Mhm.
other places, right? So I will be scrolling through my phone at 9 o'clock at night and then get this idea because I've seen something else. And immediately my mind can go, this is exactly how it needs to be laid out. Boom, and done. I think, great. I need to write this down. That way, when my planning time comes, I can know exactly how to execute this. And
Mhm.
sometimes I don't do that and I forget. And then I go to my recording or my planning or my creation time and
And it's completely gone.
yeah, I've lost 20 minutes of that hour or hour and a half or whatever I've planned simply because I feel stuck and I don't know what to do. I think one thing that is great for those that can easily feel overwhelmed or you look at every little thing as a task. What are you doing? How to create it? Exporting it, loading it, scheduling it, right? I look at that as five different things versus one task of one post. So if
Mhm.
you do, set a small number. I need to create 10 flat lays. And then that way, you can go to your partner site, export those images, put a logo on there, and then boom, it took you 15, 20 minutes versus an hour just to figure out what it was you were doing that
Yeah.
day. Not everybody obviously has the kind of brain that I do, but I know the smaller I can make the task list because I view everything as an individual task, then easier and the quicker it is for me to get that done and maximize that hour versus getting, entangled of, oh my God, I only have an hour to do all of this.